Hi guys, it's Mrs. McClure. Let's take a look at what we're working with today. Today we are working with equality, with the idea of keeping things balanced. So let's look at the counters in this balance. So let's look at the left side. I have 2 green counters and 4 orange counters. Okay, how many do I have here? 6. Good. How many do I have here? I also have 6. So what kind of addition sentence can we make to match? So if I have 2 green, we could say 2 plus how many is going to make 6? 2 plus 4. So I have 2 green and 4 orange. 2 plus 4 equals 6. So that would be our addition sentence, right? We're talking about what can we do to make it equal. So on this side we have 2 plus 4, which makes 6 equals 6. Good. So what were to happen if I were to draw another counter over here on the left side? And let's pretend it's a green counter. What must we do to the other side so that the quantities remained balanced? What would we have to do? That's right, we would have to add 1, right? To make it balanced. Good. So we drew our counter here in the picture. And what kind of sentence do we have now? Let's see, let's look at this side. How many greens do we have now? 1, 2, 3. 3 greens plus how many oranges? 4 equals what? 7. Good. So that would be our equation. Very good. Now it's telling us to do is cross out 3 counters on the right side. So we're going to cross out 3. 1, 2, 3. What must we do to the other side so that the quantities remain balanced? What should we do? That's right, we cross out 1, 2, 3. Right, so we crossed out 3 on this side, and then we crossed out 3 on the other side. So now what is our equation going to be? And remember, we still have this extra one here that we added, right? So let's see. Our equation could be 2. Let's see, we have 2 here, so 2 plus 2 equals 4. And look, we have 2 over here and 2 over here. Okay, so the idea is to working with making something equal, right? Using a balance beam and add an addition sentence to balance and make it equal. Okay, so let's take a look at our assignment for today. So we just did this part right here at the very top. So what we have to do is we have to write a number sentence to match the balance picture. We may have to draw more counters. Then write the new number sentence, just like what we did up here at the top. So right here it says draw 2 more on each side. So 1, 2, 1, 2. Oh wait, I realized I just made a mistake. So it's asking us first, what we need to do is we need to figure out what the equation is before. So let's take a look. How many do we have on this side? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it's balanced already, right? But we have to figure out what the equation is. So we're looking at the counters. How many green do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 green counters plus how many orange counters? 1, 2, 3 equals the total. How many? 8. Very good. Now it's asking us to draw 2 more on each side. So 1, 2, 1, 2. So if we add 2 more counters, what is that going to make the problem? Yeah, good. So we added our 2 counters to each side. And now let's see, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 plus 5 equals what? 10. Because we added 2 more, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So what you're going to do is you're going to continue working on all of these by balancing out the pictures. So first we have to figure out what is the equation before we add the counters, and then it tells you to add, how many more counters to each side, and then it changes your equation. The goal is to make sure that it remains balanced, right? So whatever you do on this side, it's got to be the same on this side so that it's balanced, okay? Awesome, great job.